Alone Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Good morning, y'all. Salon Diva V in the place to be. Growing hydroponically. Yeah. So y'all, okay. I want to transfer this plant, but am I supposed to have this kind of stuff growing hydroponically? Why is my leaf looking like that? So let's pull him out. Uh-oh. Their root system is strong. That's another thing, y'all. So am I supposed to plant this whole thing in the soil? I guess I am, because who's gonna try to fight with them roots? Look at that. Now, the question is, can I save my little plastic thingy? Try to get that lycra off of there. So look at this. Look at them roots, y'all. Strong. And this is my cup right here that I'm gonna plant it in, but I want to save my case. So let me see. Hold on. Let me prop y'all up. So I put this foil paper right here because it don't matter how low how low I place this, I still get water splashing all over the place. So look, all on the side of my machine. That's from the water and the chemicals that we put inside of here. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is take that off. Oh, that came through like a G. Okay. Okay. I ain't mad. Uh-oh. Get over there. All right, let's see. Hold on. So I'm trying to do this with one hand instead of putting it on my tripod. But as you can see, I need some more soil. So let's go get some more soil. So this is one of my sunflowers. So these 4 back here were comfrey. These 2 were sunflowers. And these 4 were butter crunch lettuce. And these 2 right here were supposed to be lettuce. But that's coming up funky. And that one didn't come up. These did, so we'll transplant them. But they're comfrey. I don't know if it takes a while, or if it don't do well. But let's pull one up and see if they can have some roots. No roots. Maybe comfrey don't do well in water, since it has a taproot. I don't know, but these have been in here for a while. And none of them have come up. So we'll see. Let's move on to this one right here and get it planted in, this sunflower. So I could not, maybe I might need to move the makeup out the way. I could not hold this sunflower in place and put the soil in there. So I had to come back. Y'all know how to plant a plant, right? Right. All right, so therefore, this is my sunflower. I don't know why the leaves are looking like that. Maybe it's because the water was hitting the leaves. I don't know. But it is planted now in the soil. I'm not going to water it in because I know that sponge was dripping wet. So this is our first sunflower grown hydroponically. And look at that. Maybe it's just something eating it. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna put this in the garage. Entry doors. All right, here we go. Right underneath the grow light in the garage. All right, y'all, so thank y'all for watching. I'm Salon Diva V, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.
Salon Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this food so my future doesn't look gloom. Keeping it in the family, cause we gon'